G'day guys, welcome back. In this week's video, we head out bush for another weekend of winter camping. We have an awesome campfire cook up and hang out with our family, but not everything goes to plan. Let's get into it. We have a bit of a situation
Probably because it's raining.
for the bushmen. I'm gonna try get rid of them.
So guys, welcome back. We are back out at the river. A couple of days ago, we put out a little feeler out there on Instagram and our socials on what we should cook when we come out here. And we've actually had a couple of people say something to do with pork. So we're actually doing a pork roast over the fire. It is pretty difficult to do because you gotta, obviously, how hard it is to manage the heat and everything, but we're gonna give it a shot. So what we've got here, we've got a nice bit of pork roast that we've had sitting out. It's still got a bit of juice on it, and I've had salt on the skin as well. So we've already got a preheated pot. We're just going to put some oil on it, and then we're going to chuck it straight in, and then in a couple of hours we're going to add some veggies. Next up, what we're going to be doing is just getting some alfoil, folding it up a little bit, and this here gets wrapped around the sides, just so there's a little tiny gap around it, and then that way it can steam up, and then we'll get crispy as skin. We saw this on TikTok, so we're actually attempting it for the first time. We'll see how we go with it. So just like this, we've got the alfoil over the four corners, just so when you put it up, there's like a little tiny gap. You might be able to see that, but there's a little tiny gap around the whole side, just so it all steams around. And then we're going to put this back onto the coals now. It is hot, Imogen just moves them on. Same thing as I always say, just because coals and these pots don't look like they're hot, they are still very hot, so you do not want to touch it with your bare hands. We forgot our gloves this time, so we're going to use this end of the hatchet. But definitely, if you're going to cook, make sure you've got some gloves.
Alright, so it's been on for about an hour and a half, and we're going to chop our veggies up and add them in soon. So we've got some sweet potato, potatoes and carrots to add in. So I'm just going to chop them all up now, and then we'll add them into our pot.
So it's been about 3.5 hours, and we checked it not long ago and it looked pretty good. It looks pretty good. The skin isn't quite crispy, but I think that's just because we didn't have quite high enough heat. But the meat is sitting at about 75 degrees. We're going to take it off now. We're going to cut the skin off after we rest it for a little bit. Probably put it back on the pan just to try and get it a bit more crispy. That meat is now perfect, and we're going to go around and check all of the veggies as well underneath. But yeah, we're going to take this meat out, put it on the pan and let it rest for a little bit.
We did our roast potatoes in alfoil, so they're not quite ready. So we're going to cover them in some coals. Hopefully in the next 10 minutes they're cooked, and then we'll be able to have everything all together. So Riley's just going to chuck some more coals on them.
So we've already taken it off, and it's been about 20 minutes since we've rested it. So the only thing that we can fault is the skin's not super crispy, but the meat looks really, really good. I'll just slice it all up because we're having it in rolls with gravy. Yeah, wow. That's perfect. That is perfect. And we're going to chuck this crackle back on just to try to get it really, really crispy. And then we'll heat up our gravy, and then we'll have roast pork and gravy rolls. Perfect. Perfect dinner.
All right, I'm going to tip the gravy in with all the juices that are already in here, because that's the best bit. So I'm just going to take these little foil bits off. And just got these like pre-made gravy mixes that you normally just heat up in the microwave. And obviously, like, you could make your own gravy with this mix, which is what a lot of people do, but just wanted convenience, so that's why we decided to do it this way. So just mix that in. And we'll just chuck that on the fire for like 5 minutes just to heat it up, but it won't take much at all. All right, we've got all our components ready now, so let's put this together. I'm really excited. Taste tested some of the pork and it's amazing. I would say it's probably one of the best roast porks that we've ever done, which is pretty good considering we cooked it on a fire and actually had no idea how it was going to go. So, our rolls. And let's get some of this pork in. And then I've got the gravy's down here in the pot. And then we've got our roasted veggies that were in with the pot. These also look amazing. We do have our other roast potatoes, but they're still not quite ready yet. We probably put them on a little bit late. That's okay. Put a little bit of gravy over my veggies. And there we go. There's our roast pork and gravy rolls and roast veggies on the fire. Get everyone over and let them plate up, and then we'll give it a try. I was too hungry, so I already ate my veggies, but let's give this roll a go.
Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Alrighty guys, if you haven't noticed, we are rocking some new headgear.
Yep, so our couple of 4 driver beanies are out now. So here is the QR code to go and check them out on the website, or the link will be down below in the description.
Anything helps guys. We also sell stickers, patches. We got plenty more coming as well in the background.
Yeah.
So if you want to rock some merchandise, keep checking it out because we will have more coming as well.
To celebrate the launch of our beanies, we will be doing a giveaway. So here are the details for all of that. All right, we've got a winter merch pack up for grabs for you guys to win to celebrate the launch of our beanies. So here is everything that you can win. All you need to do is subscribe, comment down below, and also go and check out all our other socials for another chance to win. We all link down below in our description. Make sure you jump on there for your chance to win. Let's get back to the video, guys.
I hope you guys enjoyed. We're back to our roots, finally out winter camping.
Yep.
So hopefully we'll be out here again sometime soon.
Sure we will be, but we do have another big trip planned for October, so stay tuned for that. Very exciting. Back up north, and hopefully we will have a new addition which will make it a little bit better.
Fingers crossed. Let's see how we go.
But yeah, this was sort of a test run for that trip. Riley's family are coming with us on that trip with their new camper trailer.
So we hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And we will catch you in the next one.
Cheers for watching.
Jesus.